Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best bags for Disney in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Himawari Travel Backpack. Need something bigger? Go with the Himawari Travel Backpack. It comes in 2 sizes, both of which are well within the Disney park's sizing limits. The regular size is 16 by 11 by 6 inches with an 18-liter capacity, and the large is 18 by 12 by 8 inches with a 28-liter capacity. Though you'll sacrifice a low-profile design, it might be worth it for the spacious interior and ample features. This backpack has a sizable main compartment, plus 2 internal pockets and a tablet sleeve with a built-in USB charging port. There's also a large front zipper pouch and dual water bottle holders on the sides. Even when it's packed full, the padded backing and adjustable shoulder straps make for comfortable carrying. What's more, it's completely waterproof and comes in a whopping 40 colors. Number 2. Our second best pick is Vaschy Classic Unisex Backpack. Looking for something a little more wallet-friendly? The Vaschy Classic Backpack is a solid choice. Measuring 17 by 13 by 5.5 inches, it's a nice size with a generous 20-liter capacity. And at just 0.8 pounds, it's lighter than many carriers we found. This versatile backpack is made of polyester. Again, while the durable material is water-resistant, bear in mind it's not completely waterproof. Some splashing is fine, but you'll want to avoid getting it soaked. The Vaschy Classic is available in 20 colors and patterns ranging from Kelly green to periwinkle to unicorn print. It's got a sizable main compartment with a tablet sleeve and a mesh zipper pocket. On the outside, there's a front zip-up pouch and a water bottle pocket on either side. And the padded, adjustable straps make for a comfy, customizable fit. Number 3. Our third best pick is Simple Modern Fletcher Kids Backpack. Shopping for a kid? We suggest the Simple Modern Fletcher Backpack. This adorable carrier comes in over 30 designs, including several Disney prints. There's a Lion King option, one featuring various Pixar characters, Moana, Disney princesses, and classic Mickey Mouse, to name just a few. This polyester backpack features a waterproof coating, making it splash-friendly and easy to wipe clean. The Fletcher comes in 2 sizes. Recommended for ages 4 and up, the larger option is 15 by 12.5 by 5 inches with a 12-liter capacity. The smaller one is designed for toddlers between 1 and 3 and measures 14 by 12 by 4 inches with a 7-liter capacity. This pack has padded adjustable straps, plus a buckle to keep it securely in place. The upper handle makes it easy to grab, and you can attach your own tether strap to prevent your child from wandering. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Vera Bradley Reactive Sling Backpack. The Vera Bradley Sling is ideal for rides and strolling through Disney attractions. It's made of the brand's reactive material, a lightweight, tear-resistant polyester sourced from recycled plastic bottles. Though it has a water-repellent coating, keep in mind it's not 100% waterproof. From heather gray and raspberry pink to muted florals and boho medallions, this backpack comes in several colors and prints. At 19 inches long, 9 inches wide, and 3 inches deep, it's got a low profile and an 8.5-liter capacity. While this sling bag doesn't have a designated water bottle holder, there's plenty of room for one in the main compartment. There are also 2 zipper pouches on the outside, an internal slip pocket, and a D-ring strap for your keys. The crossbody design helps evenly distribute the weight across your back while offering hands-free convenience as you mosey around the parks. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Loungefly Disney Villains Mini Backpack. Loungefly makes our favorite mini backpack. This one is printed with all the classic Disney villains. We're talking Ursula, Maleficent, Cruella, the Evil Queen, and even the Queen of Hearts. The vegan leather has a structural quality and a high-end feel, plus it's wipeable and water-resistant. Measuring 10.5 by 9 by 4.5 inches, it has a capacity of about 7 liters. You probably won't be able to carry an extra sweater, but you can definitely fit a water bottle in the main compartment or one of the side pouches. There's also a front zipper pouch for keys, earbuds, and other small items. The price is somewhat steep for the size, but this backpack is technically made for adults, hence the nostalgic characters from 20th century Disney movies. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.